G'day, my name's Luke and this is my channel, The Bearded Bushranger. I'm an Aussie bloke living on a rural property down here in Victoria, Australia. I have a passion for outdoor adventures and getting into the Australian wilderness amongst our beautiful bushland. I also have a passion for Australian history, whether that be our Indigenous people and how they lived out in the bush, or it be the stockman, the swagman, the settler, the bushranger, and how they survived and adapt to the harsh environment that we have down here in Oz. I've created this channel so I can share with you my passion for the Australian bushman. So on the Bearded Bushranger, I'll be going on adventures out into remote wild places, all while using old style era camping gear that the old swagmen would have used. I also set out to build little bushcraft shelters that resemble what have been used here in this country many years ago. And I'll share stories and yarns about our unique history, all while trying to capture the spirit of the old fellas. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, make sure to subscribe to this channel. You can also help out by signing up to my Patreon, which allows me to continue to make these videos. So good on ya and get into it.